and welcome to Family Craft Time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Today we are going to be making something yummy and delicious out of this wonderful cookbook that is part of our collection. It is a complete cookbook for young chefs. There's smoothies, breakfast recipes to choose from, you name it, it's there. Today we're doing a dessert. We are making some Fudgy Chocolate Mug Cakes. Okay, so I'm going to run through the ingredients list with you quickly. We need some flour, we need baking powder, sugar, unsalted butter, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, cocoa powder, a little bit of salt, vanilla extract, and away we go. So I've already measured out some of my ingredients. So in this bowl here, we have our 1/4 cup of flour with our 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So now we're just gonna stir it together. Just as so, make sure it's all blended. Okay, step 2, our 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter with our 4 tablespoons of chocolate chips. So we're going to actually microwave this till it's melted for approximately 1 minute, depending on the microwave. So pay attention to when melting. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so once your chocolate chips and your butter come out of the microwave, give it a good stir. Make sure they're all mixed together, just as so. Okay, so off to step number 3. We are going to add our 2 eggs. Just gonna set my spoon aside here. So there's 1 egg, 2 eggs. We are going to do our 1/4 cup of sugar next, right in there. Okay, our cocoa, which is 2 tablespoons. So 1, 2. Close this guy back up. Our vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon. Get this out of the way. Some salt. I'll just give it a couple cranks. Just like that. Okay, so we are going to just whisk this until it's smooth. My daughter is reminding me to add the flour because typically I forget the flour. So here we go. Here's my face. Okay, so let's add our flour and our baking powder. Set that aside. And again, whisk until it's smooth and mixed together. Try to keep flour in the bowl if you can. Okay, and that is looking good. All right, so once it's all mixed together, you are going to grab 2 coffee mugs and then pour the batter into the coffee mugs. This is a great dessert that you can make for 2 people at a time, or if you're like me and you don't like having the temptation of a lot of dessert around the house, it's a perfect size. So once you have the batter in the mugs, you're gonna take them over to your microwave again. You're gonna set them both in your microwave, one on either side of the tray, and you're gonna start for approximately 1 minute. When you pop them out at 1 minute to have a look at them, if they're still wet, give them a stir. If they're actually starting to form, pop them into the microwave again for about 1 minute. It always depends on the power of your microwave. So that being said, we have already made a batch, and that is what they look like when they are all done. So it took us about 2 minutes to make these, and quite honestly, let's try it. Delicious. So there you have it, guys. Fudgy Chocolate Mug Cakes. Have a great weekend. Bye.